Hi everyone, welcome back to VoxMingle, where we delve today into topics that enrich your life and inspire positive change. Today, we're exploring 10 important life tips that can enhance your well-being and help you navigate through life's journey. Life is a beautiful adventure, filled with its own set of challenges and joys. By incorporating these 10 essential life tips into your daily routine, you can cultivate a happier, more fulfilling existence. Tip number 1. Prioritize self-care. Taking care of your physical, mental, and emotional health is paramount for a balanced life. Make time for activities that nourish your soul, such as exercise, meditation, and spending quality time with loved ones. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential for your overall well-being. Tip number 2. Embrace continuous learning. Never stop expanding your knowledge and honing your skills. Whether it's through reading, taking courses, or pursuing new hobbies, keep your mind engaged and curious. The journey of learning is an enriching one that opens doors to new opportunities and perspectives. Tip number 3. Set goals. Define clear and achievable goals for yourself in various areas of your life and create a plan to reach them. Break down big goals into smaller, manageable steps and celebrate your progress along the way. Having goals gives you direction and purpose, guiding you towards a brighter future. Tip number 4. Embrace resilience. Life is full of ups and downs, but it's how we respond to challenges that defines us. Cultivate resilience by bouncing back from setbacks, learning from failures, and maintaining a positive outlook. Resilience is the key to weathering life's storms and emerging stronger on the other side. Tip number 5. Practice gratitude. Take time each day to acknowledge the blessings in your life and express gratitude for them. Gratitude fosters positivity, enhances relationships, and cultivates a sense of contentment. Gratitude transforms ordinary moments into extraordinary ones, filling your heart with joy and appreciation. Tip number 6. Manage finances wisely. Develop healthy financial habits such as budgeting, saving, and investing. Live within your means, avoid unnecessary debt, and prioritize long-term financial security. Financial stability provides peace of mind and opens doors to opportunities for growth and prosperity. Tip number 7. Cultivate relationships. Invest time and effort in nurturing meaningful connections with family, friends, and colleagues. Strong social ties are essential for emotional support, happiness, and overall well-being. Relationships enrich our lives, bringing joy, love, and a sense of belonging. Tip number 8. Seek balance. Strive for equilibrium in all aspects of your life, including work, leisure, relationships, and personal growth. Find time for relaxation, hobbies, and activities that bring you joy. Balancing your priorities allows you to live a more harmonious and fulfilling life. Tip number 9. Be authentic. Embrace your true self and live in alignment with your values, beliefs, and passions. Celebrate your uniqueness and express yourself authentically. Authenticity is the key to living a genuine and meaningful life, free from pretense or conformity. Tip number 10. Leave a positive impact. Make a difference in the lives of others and contribute to the greater good, whether through acts of kindness, volunteering, or pursuing a career that aligns with your values. Strive to leave a positive legacy. Leaving a positive impact creates ripple effects of goodness that resonate far beyond our own lives. Thank you for joining us on this journey through 10 important life tips. Remember, by incorporating these principles into your daily life, you can cultivate a happier, more fulfilling existence. Until next time, stay inspired and keep thriving. This is VoxMingle, signing off.